Hey, welcome back. Today's video is all about these posts, how we got them installed and put on these brackets down here. If you're new to the channel, hey, thanks for stopping by. And if you are one of our friends or family that have actually watched all these videos, we thank you for keep coming back. Anyway, with that, we're gonna get on with the video. Here we have the post that we are cutting to size. And here's the stack of posts that we already cut. And these are all the brackets that we installed in the piers, the concrete piers. This is what a little bracket looks like. Here is my contractor Chad notching the posts so we can get them ready to fit into those brackets that we that you saw. This is what it looks like when it's been cut out and ready to be notched. And we busted out all those cut marks. And then we take a blade basically and smooth those out. Here's a short video of actually Chad's dad came and helped us with his skid steer. You can see we're hooking up a beam or a post here that it's a little bit too big to push up. Some of the smaller ones are about 10 feet long, a little over 10 feet long. These ones on the back side of the house are anywhere from 15 to close to 16, 17 feet long. So these ones are big. We're using the skid steer here. We're hooking it up and clamping it so that strap doesn't slide off. And using this machine really helped us out a lot to get this up. These are too big to push up by hand. Like I said, the smaller ones we actually pushed up. Just Chad and I and one of our neighbors helps us too. He comes over once in a while and helps us. So here we're just setting the post on that bracket and raising it up with the skid steer. And looks like we just got it upright, pretty close to upright. And kind of fudging it in there, getting all set. So right now we're just pinning the bottom with some nails just to halfway hold it, and so we can still kind of swivel it around to get it totally plumb. So here's that post we just put up with the skid steer, and Chad's walking up here with try to secure it with 2x4 to the next one that we did earlier. So we secure all these posts to basically to each other. We like X brace them basically, and also secure them to the house. So they're really secure. Try to get them all plumbed out and get ready for the beams, which basically is the next step. Is here's Carrie took this picture of me securing the post, and here's a little walkthrough after we got all of the posts up. Everything's secured, everything's plumbed out, and we're ready for the beams. And it was a beautiful day to do this. It was a little cold in the morning, but the snow was kind of melty and a little bit muddy. So we are just so thankful that Dad's Chad came out and helped us with that skid steer to raise those big ones, because we couldn't have done it uh, without a bunch of pulleys and ropes and levers and stuff like that. That skid steer really came in handy. But there's 16 posts that we set today, and so the next step is the beams. We just thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video. If you like what you saw, leave a comment, like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Take care.